Hello, I'm Marcus Weeks and welcome to our Ashgrove project. PPG have worked in conjunction with Vassar Pools on this new pool install, where Vassar have installed the fibre-glass shell and PPG finished off the rest of the surrounds and the fencing. The tile surrounds on this pool have been chosen by the clients and they are ash grey granite, and as you can see on the coping tile here, we've used a 100mm drop face tile which works beautifully with the fiberglass pool. As part of this coping, we've used the hide hidden skimmer system, same as last time. Another detail you'll notice in this pool area is the beautiful black spigots and fittings on all of the glass pool fencing to give it that contemporary feel. By squeezing the pool into the back corner of this property means we have not compromised the nice flat grassed area the kids still have to use outside of the pool enclosure. If you're installing a new pool, speak to one of our expert team to work out how to maximise the space in your yard so you can have the best of both worlds, the pool and the yard.